bitches is my sons. And I'ma go and get some bits for 'em. A couple formulas, little pretty lips on 'em. If I had an inch, I would pull it out and on 'em. Let me shake it off. I just signed a couple deals, I might break you off. And we ain't making up, I don't need a mediator. Just let them pumps blow steam. Radio.